cryptocurrency. It's up something like 50% since September, and it has doubled.
Hey, if you're sick and tired of wasting your hard-earned money on outdated methods and softwares that simply do not work in 2022, well, I've got the perfect solution for you that's allowed me to earn free cryptocurrency like Bitcoin every single day for the past few years that keeps growing in value whilst generating free buyer traffic from the hottest new niche online right now. Hey, my name is Glyn Kosky and I've been one of the top-ranked super affiliates in the world for the past 7 years. And if you're interested in affiliate marketing or making more money from it, there's never been a better time because right now cryptocurrency is booming and I've discovered a loophole that allows us to tap into a secret 3-step system to earn free crypto like Bitcoin and Ethereum immediately, and I will see you on the inside.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products, and definitely training courses that generally help you elevate your business and your life to the next level. If making money is your business and intention here, I try to bring out programs and products that will help you do exactly that. And today I have another amazing software called CryptoBeast, and this one is going live on the 2nd of May 2022 at exactly 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time. And this one is being put out there by the super affiliate Glyn Kosky, and in a nutshell is a crypto-oriented product software that will help you dominate the crypto space, and that this will allow you free Bitcoin and crypto. And it means that the breakthrough app levels the playing ground for you, which is CryptoBeast in this case. And with this you can get first mover advantage in the crypto space. You don't need thousands of dollars for development. You don't need hundreds of hours to learn a whole new niche. You don't even need to figure out traffic. And of course, they have done the heavy lifting for you, and you can always sit back after setting this up in just 60 minutes and enjoy the results from commissions ready solutions. Okay, so it's basically the talk of the town now is the crypto industry, and a lot of people are making a lot of money using the crypto, and myself, I am included. I have blockchain wallet, MetaMask, I have Binance and all those things, and every day you earn money with it. So this is basically another amazing app that you may need to definitely generate money using the crypto in the crypto industry. And of course, that is the future as long as I'm concerned. And if this one is one that you will need, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will bring you to this amazing bonus page of mine where you can pick up a copy with this one, this link, and of course any other yellow link scattered all over this page, and then this very CryptoBeast will become part of your acquisitions, and you'll be able to set it up and begin to make money even as early as today. And with that said, I will show you, if you stick with me, through these bonuses that I have lined up for you, which are going to bonus number 1, bonus number 2, bonus number 3, 4, and of course bonus number 5, and all this will be waiting for you on my Warrior Plus account, where you will check out for this very one. When you do click any of this link, they will take you to the sales page, which I'm going to show to you, and then you use this very pop-up to actually get $4 off the original price of this very one, and then that will give you the necessary amount that is scheduled as long as this one is concerned. And of course, like I said, if you use any of these links, they will take you to the sales page where you claim this using this very pop-up. And when you do, under your purchase history on my Warrior Plus account, you will find a page that looks like this with 2 buttons. This one gives you access to CryptoBeast, and this one gives you access to the amazing bonuses that I have just shown you, and you can reach out using this email address in case there is any problems. And of course, nobody envisages that, and definitely this very bonuses of mine will be lasting till this timeline goes down, and of course that will be amazing for you. And now let us go through the prices for this one. The front end price goes for $17 with the $4 discount. You will have it for, I believe, $13. And OTO number 1 will be unlimited version of this, which is advisable to get as well. It goes for downsell of $47. OTO number 2 done for you. Everything is set up for you. You don't need to lift a finger. it goes for 67. And here you have the unlimited traffic to your crypto-based software in order to make money with this on auto traffic and auto made for you. Okay, and OTO number 4 is automation, it goes for 47 as well. OTO number 5, ATM edition, virtual ATM edition, it goes for $37. And here you have OTO number 6, license rights, goes for $97. And here are the amazing benefits you stand to gain with this one. Automated crypto system, 100% done for you crypto system designed for beginners. Beta testers are loving their results. No experience required. Brand new tech for 2022. Work from home starting today and quit your job, travel and enjoy life. Of course, stop failing and finally break through. Unlock the real laptop style 180-day money back guarantee. That's 6 months for you. And of course, get results or they do it for you. So that's basically what you have there. It says here that it has 180-day money back guarantee, and that's 60 days for you. Okay, and with that said, I don't have, unfortunately, the very members area for password issues. I don't have the members area, and so I will not be coming up with the members area of this very crypto based. In any case, let us see what the sales page says. And of course, it's self-explanatory, and you can get access to this when eventually you get a copy of this using the link on my description area. You'll be able to find exactly yourself. If you click any of the links on my bonus page, you'll get here and you can check out with this very link, yellow in color. And here are the amazing information you have, which you will be able to go through, and some of the, of course, amazing testimonials for beta testers of this. Step 1, create username, password, then click login. And step 2, enter your payment information and activate the system. Step 3, there is no step in 3. That means you just relax, sit back and enjoy $250 every single day. Here are all the information you will get when you get here. And this is Glenn Koski, the creator and producer of this one, a super affiliate with his own rights. And of course, this is going to be your own to access when you get here and go through all the information you need to actually make up your mind if this is going to be for you. And of course, the crypto is ruling the cyberspace, making money online, and everybody is inside it, and I don't think you should be left out as well. So you have basically nothing to lose than to consider this and start today at such a cheap price of $13. You can get the front end copy, and if you like unlimited version, you will always get the OTO number 1, which is the unlimited version. So basically you have everything going for you with this one. Let me see if we can see the amazing bonuses from the vendor, which you will have access to when you access the very members area. Okay, now I think it has to be somewhere here. Bonus number 1 from the vendor, 1,000 daily commission system. Bonus number 2, your first sell in 60 seconds. Bonus number 3, Bitcoin, 100 times newbie guide. Bonus number 4 will be 5 million online blueprint. Okay, so those are basically what you have, as long as the bonuses from the vendor, which you will have access to when you access my bonus page by clicking the link on my description area. That will definitely bring you to the amazing information you have on this very sales page. And here you can use any of these links when you get here to actually check out on this one. And I can assure you, definitely you have 180-day money back guarantee in case for any reason or without any reason you want to return this one, and definitely you will be able to get your money back, and you have absolutely therefore nothing to lose as long as this one goes. So now let us basically see what we have here on my bonus page, because this is where we are going to bring to an end this very review for Crypto Beast. I will come back to you next time, but before I do that, I will encourage you to like, comment, share this video, and of course use the bell button for notifications, and subscribe to my channel for more. Okay, definitely I will come back to you in my next review. Till then, this is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here, and from me from here is goodbye.